In this video, we will be talking about community feature which is recently introduced by WhatsApp. So in this video, we are talking about what is community, how it works, and every single detail about that. So make sure that do watch the video till the end. Alright, so I'm having my WhatsApp here. So you can see in the left corner there is a theme icon. So once I swipe to the right, and here is the community feature. A community is basically a group of groups. From here you can see I can create a new community by clicking over on this new community option, and once you're here you can simply change the profile picture. You can give a name to this community, and you can add a description to your community and click over on next. Alright, so once you're here, you can create new groups and add those groups to this community, or you can simply add the existing ones. So once I click over on add existing groups, just click over on plus icon. Here I have these groups, and make sure that the groups you are adding to the community, you will be the admin of that specific group in order to add the group to community. So here I'm adding these two groups to my community, and you can see here I'm the admin of these two groups. Once I add the group, just simply click on check mark and your community will be created. Alright, now you can see there is an option to invite members, and once you click on it, a link will be generated and you can simply invite your friends or any of the person. Just send the link and that specific person will be able to join your community. Or you can from here exit community or deactivate community, just according to your need. And once I get back, you can see here I have my community. Now if I type any message here, let's say, and just click over on send, that specific message basically will be sent it to both of the groups which I have added to this community. So this is basically the main feature of this community, and if you want to send a particular message to multiple groups, you can create a community, add those groups to the community, and you can send that message once and it will be sent it to all of the groups. So this is how basically the community feature works. And all for today's video, guys. I hope you have learned something new. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I will be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.